Hello and welcome to another Top Build Carpentry's tool review. So today I wanted to talk about some products that we use daily, and I thought I'd just run through because they are very useful and helpful with everyday use on our van as bespoke furniture fitters, carpenters. So these products here that I'm going to show you now, we do use daily, and they're all from the same company. Most people will have heard of CT1 Sealant. Silicone. So basically that there is an amazing product. Anyone who has used it will know how strong it is. It'll stick anything together. You can see all like below water. Overall, just an amazing product. Obviously comes in all different colours like your silicones do, but for strength, you're not beating the strength of that. You can go and buy the slightly cheaper ones, but it's not going to be doing the same job as that. So then obviously the rest of their products are on the same scale. I've got to give it to them. They are 10 out of 10. They're glue and activator. So most people use Mitabond, Mitamate. And in regards to that, comparison them two together, there's just not a comparison. So slightly different with this one where we do bond with the spray both sides of the surface, and then you will apply your glue. But it's so rapid and it does hold a lot better than your typical Mitamate and stuff like that. So you might pay a tad more price-wise on that, but you don't need to use as much, and it definitely lasts a lot of a stronger joint. Then we come over to the Multisolve. So Multisolve, this basically removes any sealants, glues. So for instance, if you take a sticker off something and you've got that glue residue, or you pull something off the edge band and there's some glue spilt over and you want to get it off fast, like we get through quite a bit of that, just cleaning up our products to get a perfect finish, or anything that's, you know, got a bit of residue on, or even if you wanted to remove some sealant or any kind of adhesive. That there is amazing, amazing stuff. Always keep some of that on the van. And then there's also the FC one, which is a filler and cork. This, again, since we started using that, it's kind of like, in our eyes, a bit of a mix between kind of filler and cork. It's still as smooth as cork when you put it on into any gaps, but it don't shrink. It's just a great product. So every one of these here are amazing products. So I thought I'd just do you a quick video on anyone who's looking for super glue, sealants, filler or cork. My honest opinion, and this isn't biased, we're not being paid to do this video, it's genuine opinion. From all the products that we've used and usually swapping up different brands here and there, we've realised now to get a good job and one that lasts and one where you're not having to go back and reseal or do anything, is just stick with them, to be honest with you, because everything they do bring out, they obviously put a lot of like hard work and research into getting the product spot on, because every single one does what it says on the tin. It's not like some silicones you can go and buy the cheap ones and they're just crap, or even cork, to be honest with you. When you use some certain corks, they're just terrible and you end up like changing brands all the time. But since we've moved over onto these, we haven't looked back and we'll be sticking with these. So yeah, I hope that's helped. Do come back, subscribe. We'll be doing more videos on different products, different tools, machines around the workshop. And if you want to see any of our work, do head over to Instagram at Top Build Carpentry. Thanks for watching.